We even can actually try to go for the next level, maybe level 5, since we actually did pretty. Oh, this is level 110. I'm not so sure we can actually go for this, but let's make this challenge. Maybe for the next time, I think it's going to be interesting. Here we're going to actually replace Questa with this guy, with Chorus, because we're going to need a solid tank. This guy is level 110, so first time going for him, and I'm not so sure we're going to make it, but let's try. We definitely have to try. Again, the strategy is same, trying to prevent him from getting this extra attack, and we're going to fire up our shields at the right moment. Okay, okie dokie, let's use this one. I'm going to use Sigrid right here. We have to be very careful when we going to actually use that. Okay, he's going to get massive damage. Oh, look at this shield this guy is actually get. Definitely this is a lot of shield going on there, and he get this boost, so he actually okay, let's see this time he actually get almost no shield, so we're fine for now. We're totally fine for now, and we may actually kill him with my new strategy. Very nice. Okay, but still. Okay, we get the shield. Now the boss is going to hit us, and look how less actually shield he actually get. That is very nice. Oh my god, I cannot believe, but we may actually kill him right now. Right here, right now, for the second time. I have struggles with the previous version, but I think this strategy can actually... oh god. That's not good. We have to stop our main hero, because the cycle of the shield actually pass, so we have to be careful right now. Okay, the boss is hitting. Okay, we stop Sigrid also, because the boss is more fast from us. This is very important to be known. The boss right now is more fast from us. Okay, I'm going to use this one and Sigrid, since the boss regenerate his power more fast. Okay, we all have shield. That was very good. That was very good. I think we may manage to kill him. I cannot believe that. I struggled with the previous version, but right now I think we may actually have a pretty decent chance to actually win. Okay, he's going to hit with very big damage, since my Sigrid... oh god, that's insane amount of damage. We should definitely try to not get him this big buff. Oh come on, how he actually get this buff? I really don't know. Okay, he's going to hit us again. It's going to be very high. Maybe I'll try with this one with Questa, since Progress is not getting that big damage, and we definitely need some attack penalty, because it's going to be very hard for us. Okay, we get hit, but not much we can actually do in position like this. Still is going to be very long battle, but I think we actually may have a chance of winning that, but I cannot actually prevent him. Oh no, I cannot actually prevent him from hitting us hard. Right now we're going to try to hit him hard with Sigrid, but yeah, definitely we have to keep in mind that he's getting some boost from here and there. Okay, we get our shield. He have attack down. Definitely this is way less boost for this hero, and we're going to continue doing some damage. I think Sigrid right now and my main hero is in good synergy for getting the shields, and the boss is not going to do big damage here. He barely get any damage right now, but there will be issues in the future. I think my main hero is going to have problems with casting his spell. Okay, I'm going to stop my shield and wait again for the next cycle. But look at this shield. He's getting massive amount of shield. Massive amount of shield. Okay, I'm going to start from here. And we're going to get some shield. Sigrid is going to hit us. Okay, perfect. Right now he's not going to do any, not big damage right now. Perfect. This shield is way more easy to be destroyed. Oh god, I cannot believe this fight. Look at this fight. Oh, we need something for this attack penalty. Definitely with this big damage he actually have. And this shield this guy is getting, this is huge amount of shield. Maybe I need some extra accuracy, like some food to be eaten. I think it may actually help somehow to defeat this bad boy. And right now he's having boosts, attack boost and damage boost, and it's going to be painful. But no, it's not so much painful, but definitely he's going to get big shields. Okay, so Sigrid and my main hero is close to be absolutely the same. Still, I think Sigrid is not going to catch this thing right here. Oh, she's okay, perfect. Still, this guy is having his buffs, so definitely this is providing big amount of shield. And yeah, it's very painful. Again, he actually get a shield. I don't know what my heroes is actually doing, but I don't think we're going to catch this. Oh my god. Did you see this damage? I even get distracted. I get distracted, and yeah. Look at how many shield he actually received right now. I don't think we're going to actually survive. Yeah, this hit is going to kill us. So we have to work on this, but we're in the very good way to actually go for. Maybe, okay, even the timer is actually go out. So yeah, we didn't actually manage to kill this one, but I'm happy that we actually covered the previous stage. The previous stage was also no joke, and we managed to do it. We managed to do it, and this is also doable. Level 110 is actually doable. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.